Hey, Harvey the Sober Fox with a question. Can I build a free marketing system for your business, placing your logo here, your name here, and your business name here, and at the same time pay you for giving away free marketing systems? If the answer is yes, keep watching. Now, in the description of this video, what I want you to do is go here and click on this lead capture page. This happens to be your sponsor's lead capture page to request your free marketing system for your business. And then when I produce a video like this for you, I'm going to take out your sponsor's lead capture page and replace it with yours. So let's take a look. So your business is going to go here, an image or a logo or a tagline of your business is going to go here in your lead capture page. And of course, your referral link for your business offer is going to go here. And then down here is going to be your funnel link for your prospects, the viewers of your video, where they're going to click here, and we're going to build your free marketing system on a site that's called System.io. So let's take a look. And of course, when they click on that banner, we're going to be redirected using your referral link, your funnel link for System.io. And by the way, if you belong to System.io, not a problem. You do not have to join again. But we're going to build out your free marketing system on a platform called System.io. In just a minute, I'm going to talk a little more about that. So here's what you receive with your free marketing system. A free marketing video, just like this one, especially coded to you to use to help build your business. A free Facebook group and an AI-powered Facebook page coded to you for your business. Now, of course, your Facebook group link is going to be here, and your Facebook page is going to be here. But at this time, when you're watching this video, your sponsor's Facebook group is here, and your sponsor's Facebook page is here. Let's take a look at an example of what your group and your page will look like. Of course, I'm going to build a banner, a custom banner just for you. And of course, your logo is going to go here, and your name's going to be here, and your business name here. But this is like a lead magnet. This is on Facebook group, and it's a lead magnet where you're going to invite prospects, or actually the page is automatically going to invite prospects to your Facebook group, of which they're now going to go down here, and they're going to make a post with their business offer in your Facebook group. Then when they do that, we're going to make a comment with an invitation for them to join you, where we can build a free marketing system for their business offer. Now, you're going to see some hashtag keywords. I'm going to hashtag keyword your Facebook group and your posts, so that when a prospect or somebody looking for a specific opportunity on Facebook and they type in maybe work at home or ad credits or affiliate marketing, your Facebook group may show somewhere in that search. Now, you're also going to receive a free AI generated Facebook page. And of course, your name and your business name and your logo is going to be here on that page. Now, what's really slick about this AI generated Facebook page is when somebody comes down here and they says, message me to request your free marketing system. Well, this AI generated chatbot is now going to take over. So you don't have to hang out here. I don't have to hang out here. This chatbot is going to answer any question that they may have. Plus, it's going to say, after they answer the questions, it's going to say, click here to begin. And as you can see in this example, we did some questions. And of course, the chat bot is actually interacting with me. And of course, it's asking me some more questions like email, et cetera, et cetera. And then down here, finally, it says registration. And guess what happens when I click on that button? It takes them over to your lead capture page where you have your business offer here, and they can click here to join your business offer. And of course, down here is when they're going to request they receive a free marketing system through your System.io funnel link. Of course, this is when I talk about the lead capture page again, but we have programmed, or we will be programming, a series of follow-up emails in an autoresponder with your affiliate links embedded in the emails. Powerful. You're going to have access to a live training room where you can receive help for promoting your free marketing system, and meet your downline in the PM area in that live training room and work with them. In your back office, you're going to get access to several free to join and earn affiliate programs, creating multiple streams of income found in this blog article right here. So let's take a look. So many of these affiliate programs have commission payouts 2 levels deep, sometimes 3 levels, 5 levels deep. In fact, with our Force Matrix programs, which we have 3 different ones, that go all the way down to 15 levels deep. But you can see there's several of them back here. And of course, you're going to be given instructions in your back office how to take out your sponsors referral link, in this case here is Social Blast Club, and replace it with your referral link. But I want to talk about this crypto team build right here. This is where our forced matrices are located at. And when you remove your sponsor's referral link and replace it with yours, I'm going to click through and show you how this works. Now, this happens to be one of our members who's in the Done For You traffic package. He's a VIP member. And of course, when you become a VIP member, we're going to replace your referral link for these matrices. And right here it says, I want to PIF you. That means to pay it forward. Can I pay for your first position? So what's going to happen is when somebody does enter their information here, it's going to be free to join because one of the sponsors is going to actually pay that $1.25 right here for that new member's first position in the matrix. That's all it costs is $1.25. And what I want you to do is I want you to test it out. I want you to click on that link when you join and put your name here and your best email here and have your sponsor pay for your first position, that $1.25, to get you going. Now you can see here, here's real-time people making money, getting paid. And in the back of in the training room, in the Crypto Team Build training room, you're going to also see everybody getting paid back there in real time. So make sure that you do go here, no matter what happens. And all of our affiliate programs, make sure you do go here, click to join, and fill out that information so you can join for free in our Force Matrix programs. As you can see, there's a lot of programs here. These are all free to join. Just make sure that you do get in your back office, and it's going to be a video back there explaining on how to remove your sponsor's link and place your link here. Why? Because what I'm going to do is you're going to give me your blog article, and you're going to give me the link to it so I can place it and remove your sponsor's link here in the video and replace it with yours. Okay, let's move on. You're going to have access to training videos on how to explode your downline by offering free marketing systems to other businesses. Of course, you're going to be using this video to do the same thing. Now below, you're going to find a few business offers that are perfect for building your free marketing system, Downline. Now here's System.io. Remember I told you that System.io is free to join. It doesn't cost you anything to set up your free marketing platform when you join System.io. But if you just want to promote your System.io business, let's take a look. Here's Stephanie B. She just wants to promote her System.io business. Why? Because System.io has a 2-level affiliate program, and she gets paid 50% on her first level and 10% on her second level. Now, of course, just like all these affiliate programs out there, you can start for free and use the basics. But if somebody wants to really take off and really explode their business, they can upgrade to different levels. And System.io is no different. Now, as a System.io member, you can stay free. But when somebody does upgrade, it's possible to earn $200, $300, even up to $400 pass-up commissions from your first level. That's the reason Stephanie just wants to promote her System.io business, so she can earn those type of pass-up commissions. And if that's what you want me to do, there again, if you belong to System.io already, not a problem. I'll still build you a free marketing system. But if you're brand new with System.io, I'll do the same thing. All you want to do is promote your System.io business. And you can see in the Facebook group here, I have the keyword is System.io, System.io reviews. ClickFunnels is a competitor, any AI marketing, all these keywords. So when somebody does a search on Facebook, they may be able to find Stephanie's Facebook group and join. And the same is going to happen with your Facebook group. I will program it for you. So somebody does a search, they may join through you. I'm sure everybody's heard of Live Good. I think they have over 1 million members. All right. Well, I made a marketing system for this Ted G for his Live Good business. Now imagine, of course, you don't have to join Live Good to make this work. Imagine of those 1 million members who belong to Live Good, if you would contact them using your free marketing video or your free lead capture page and say, hey, join underneath me and I will build you a free marketing system for your Live Good business. Imagine having just a fraction of those 1 million members join underneath you. Reshare Abundance is big out there. Same thing goes here. If you belong to Reshare Abundance, not a problem. I'll build you a free marketing system. There again, imagine contacting all those thousands of members who belong to Reshare Abundance and have them join underneath you so we can build a free marketing system for them. But I am sure that you've seen many of these business offers out there, these money-making opportunities. Each one of these money-making opportunities and the members in those money-making opportunities are candidates for a free marketing system for their business. So all of the business offers listed above have thousands of members. Each one of the members in those businesses need what you have, a free marketing system for them. Imagine if you could get only 1% of, let's say 300,000 members to request a free marketing system for their business through you. That would, of course, be 1% times 300,000 or 3,000 members placed in your free marketing system DOWNLINE, where you can then share your business offers. Remember, you're going to have a training room where you can meet your downline in that training room and work with them. With those 3,000 members, plus receive passive commissions from all other free to join and earn affiliate programs found in your blog article here. Now remember, your blog article link is going to be placed in your marketing video. Those people who join through you, they must join through your blog article here. They have to join each and every one of these affiliate programs. Why? Because if they don't, guess what's going to happen? You're going to receive those passive commissions. You're going to have people join through you. If you're those people who do not join and upgrade and replace your referral link, your link is going to stay in their a free marketing video right here. Very powerful. This is a very powerful marketing system, gang. And no one offers a free marketing system for any money-making opportunity like we offer. Okay, you know what to do. Go here. This happens to be your sponsor's lead capture page, and request your own free marketing system for your business. Then I'll meet you in the live training room ready to help do free advertising for your free marketing system. Remember, I'll be replacing your sponsor's lead capture page in your marketing video with yours right here.